Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna do a parade unboxing. Every other month I always do parade unboxings. It's a must. Okay, so I received 2 free gifted items as always. Yes, I am so excited because this launch is the Revival one and it's new. It's pretty cool. It's all about corsets, lingerie, like boudoir, like that style of clothing. So I was like, wow, I'm so excited because I've been dying to have a corset. So yeah, they had different options, but I'm just gonna start off with showing the bag. Okay, it always comes with this red bag and it is recyclable, so please recycle. My address is shown here. But yeah, okay, so the first item, I already opened it. I got too excited, so I already know how it looks like. I know, I'm sorry, I hope it doesn't count as cheating, but I just had to. So the first one came in this bag. Okay, so this is in the style Underbust Corset, and guess what color it is? It's just so beautiful, like so pretty. I am so excited to wear this one. But guess, hurry up. Oh, you already saw. Oops, never mind. I wanted to do like a drum roll. Anyways, yes, a pink, not just any pink. It's this pretty satin. It looks very shiny, right? Like golden. Kind of looks, yeah, like golden with pink, silver. I don't know. It looks very majestic. Looks like rules will use this. It looks like princess vibes, like, right? This is the bag. So right here is an actually silky tone. It's more like a peachy pink, and it is see-through here. But this is a bag, and this feels like silk, satin, like super soft and silky. It's just so pretty, right? Ooh, I just love it. And it came tied in a bow. Let me tie it. It fell, I guess. So y'all can see how it arrived. It arrived actually tied in a bow. I don't know if it wasn't tight enough, or you know me, like I probably accidentally removed the tie. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm gonna have to do 2 knots, so maybe it can stay a little bit longer. But yeah, it came pretty much like this. Oops. Tied like this, like with a little bow. It's crooked, but well, so you can get the idea. So it is so cute, and the thing that I surprised me the most is that it's stretchable. It doesn't look stretchable at all. It looks very tight and fitted. I mean, it is, but at the same time it's like spandex. They added spandex, so it doesn't matter if you gain a little bit more weight or something. It probably is gonna still fit because it has spandex, and it's gonna be stretchable, and it's gonna be able to mold your body better. It's not gonna be like that like the old times, like the hard corset. No, this one's the better modern version. Okay, so, and it also comes with a zipper, so it's a pretty gold detail. I just love it, right? It's so pretty. And obviously you remove this, so then you can apply the corset better, and then afterwards you zip it up. So yes, it's not like the old time you had to ask someone to help you tie it in the back, like and tighten it. No, okay. And this make you sculpt and snatch. I'm just so happy and so excited to wear this. It's just so cute. It's so pretty. I just love the color. When I saw it online, it looked pretty, but no, in person it looks wow, like majestic. Very wow. Like that was my initial reaction. I was like, wow, it doesn't look like the website. The website looked plain baby pink. No, this one is shiny. Like wow, I was excited. So right now I'm trying to zip up the zipper, but yeah, it's just, I can't believe it. I'm glad I got this color. And as always, I'm gonna do an insert clip try on video of me trying it on. I don't know when, but it's just I just can't get over it. And look at the stitching. It's gold details. Okay, and the inside it's pink, and this is in the size medium. It's just, I love it. Okay, so the next one, obviously I had to get a black, right? Black is a classic. It's a must-have corset color. Let me put it here. It's the same design, same style, it's just black. And you can see it's mesh here as well. And right here is silky, the same material, same texture, the same gold color accent. The inside the same. This one, I don't know why the bow didn't fill, but this is how they tied it. And the stitching, like, it's amazing. This is in the size medium as well, and the color I'll insert it here. But the one from this bag, it says 8 ball. Wow, this one I love it too, but it's not like giving to me. You already know color is my thing. I do love black, but it's not like wow like that. You get me? It's hot. And by the way, I'm wearing Parade today. The shirt, it's a tank, and it's very comfortable and soft. And this is in the size medium. The color, I can't remember. I bought it, if not last year, the year before, 2023, 2022, around those years. But I got it, there was like a sale, and I got it. Okay, and I got a bunch of other different colors because it's really hot here where I live all year round, so I have to buy a lot of tanks. At home I'm still sweating and I have the AC on. Anyway, so I just love it, right? It's just so cute. So Parade has a sale going on this weekend. Is, I think, SPF50. So please take this opportunity to buy something, if not this, something else. They have affordable things right now. Everything is marked down off like 50%, I'm assuming. If you don't get the opportunity to shop this sale, there's gonna have more. They always have 20% off sales, 30% off sales all year round. It's not like just during certain holidays or seasons. They usually have them a lot back to back, so don't freak out. It's okay. Okay. I do have a discount code as well. It's Natyourusual, and you save 20% off. So imagine buying something from the sale and then adding another discount code, like, right? It's just amazing, a great deal, right? So yeah, if you want, you don't have to use it, but I always have to promote, you know. And I just love it. I love this brand. So yeah, thank you so much, Parade, for sending me these 2 items. Probably insert a screen recording of different styles from their collection. As always, if you want to see how it looks on me, keep on watching, okay? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, for now, yes. Bye.